This is a normal folding gate with the roller and the track. So we can either transform this gate into trackless, or we remain the roller and change it to an invisible folding gate. This is a stainless steel folding gate with this kind of bearing and the normal type of The customer is currently using this kind of arm motor, okay, and it's starting to give a lot of problem, and they decide to change a new system. So instead of changing a hydraulic arm motor again, we suggest our customer to change this type, where there won't be any more motor on the pillar. We will install this model Adam Tree system onto the gate. So first thing, we are going to drill the hole first. After we install the motor here, and then the next step is to install the mini track. Okay, marking will be done first to ensure that everything is straight. Okay, after the track is installed, and then we insert the cover. Place it together. After the mini track is done, so the gate part is complete, and then we will provide a casing for the wiring to be placed under the frame of the gate. Okay, so we use this casing to conceal the wire. Okay, so Adam Tree is installed, the mini track is installed, and the wiring is connected. So everything is perfectly done. Okay, it's just this, the existing release bracket for the previous arm. We do not remove it because after removing it, there will be a hole here, so customer choose not to remove, and we also remain the wall bracket here. Okay, so you have this remote where button 1 is to open single gate, button 2 is to open both sides of the gate, and P is a panic siren. So when you press P, the siren will trigger. Okay, so the job is completed. The gate is remain. Rollers are remain. Gate hinges are remain. No changes. Adam 3 motor is installed. And the previous arm motor is removed. So everything is completed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.